Well, it is Friday and I am back in the office. It's been a busy week for a law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Like every Friday, I put up my weekend advice for those traveling throughout Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We understand that as a criminal defense firm, the busiest time for us is often the weekends as people are traveling throughout Pennsylvania and New Jersey to areas that we serve each and every day. Now, with that said, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DUI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. If the police do stop your vehicle and want to search it, do not give consent. Now, remember, warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania. Police need a warrant to search the car. If police want to search the car, do not get in their way. Do not argue with the officer, but just make it clear and respectfully that you are not giving consent to search the car. That will do a lot to help your case. Now, if the police are going to arrest you for suspicion of DUI or DWI, they're probably going to give you a field sobriety test. Remember, you have the right to refuse a field sobriety test. Just know the prosecution may use that as some type of alleged consciousness of guilt. Basically, you knew that you did something wrong and you were trying to be evasive. So with regards to the field sobriety test, these tests are supposed to test balance and whether or not you're intoxicated or impaired, but frequently people do not do well on these tests because they're nervous, they don't have the proper footing, or the conditions outside, or simply they have injuries or just their own personal issues with regards to movement that make these tests difficult. So the fact that you fail a field sobriety test and it does lead to your arrest doesn't in and of itself mean that you're going to be convicted of the DUI. Remember, don't make any statements to police. Just give your license, registration, proof of insurance. Do not say where you're going, where you've been, what you drank. If the officer asks what you drank, just refuse to answer the question. You're under no obligation to say anything. And your attorney can do a very good job in court of arguing why you chose not to say anything. You're respectful, especially if you're respectful to the officer. That's the first thing that will come up at a preliminary hearing and a possible trial or a possible pretrial motion, like a motion to suppress evidence. If police find something in the car, like a gun or drugs or contraband, do not say anything again. Just keep your mouth closed and just the officer is probably going to arrest you, let him arrest you, and we'll go from there. When you start making statements, when you start giving information, when you start volunteering information, it substantially hinders your defense attorney's ability to fight that case on your behalf. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. We have a lot of no-cost content because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. Now, with regards to finally your weekend and the traffic laws, remember that the laws differ a lot when it comes to Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Be mindful of the speed limit. Just be mindful how fast you're going. I remember that at 65 miles an hour, a lot of places in Pennsylvania and even New Jersey, I've been told that you can probably go about 10 miles an hour over the speed limit before they stop your vehicle. Just be respectful to the officer. Please enjoy your weekend responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.